ਓਨਟਾਰੀਓ ਦੇ ਲੌਂਗ ਟਰਮ ਕੇਅਰ ਹੋਮਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਫ਼ ਸਫਾਈ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਬਜ਼ੁਰਗਾਂ ਦੀ ਖਿਆਲ ਰੱਖਣ ਦੇ ਮਸਲੇ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਜੋ ਮਿਲਟਰੀ ਦੀ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ ਆਈ ਸੀ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਸਵਾਲ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਜਾਣ ਦਾ ਸਿਲਸਿਲਾ ਲਗਾਤਾਰ ਜਾਰੀ ਹੈ। MP ਸੋਨੀਆ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਫਿਰ ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰ ਫॉर ਸੀਨੀਅਰ ਕੇਅਰ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਸਵਾਲ ਪਾਇਆ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਮਾਮਲੇ 'ਚ ਸਰਕਾਰੀ ਦੀ ਥਾਂ ਤੇ ਜਨਤਕ ਜਾਂਚ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ।
We're now going to Ms. Sidhu, Brampton South. Ms. Sidhu, go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'm going to be sharing my time with the member of Kingston and the Islands. My question is to Minister of Seniors. No Canadian should have to choose between putting food on the table, filling their prescriptions, or paying their bills. During COVID-19, seniors in my riding of Brampton South have faced many challenges, especially those in long-term care homes. Just one long-term care home in my riding has 86 COVID-19 cases and 12 deaths. Furthermore, in Brampton, the median age of those hospitalized from this virus is 73. Regardless of where they live, seniors are facing health, economic, and social challenges. It is very clear seniors are particularly feeling the impact of COVID-19. It is essential that we take care of the most vulnerable members of our communities and ensure they are able to get through these challenging times. Canada's seniors build this country, and it is our responsibility to work with the provinces and territories to ensure seniors receive the care they deserve from coast to coast to coast. Mr. Speaker, can the Minister of Seniors please update the House on how the federal government is helping seniors directly to address the increased financial pressure, and how the Minister is collaborating with provincial and territorial counterparts on seniors issue? Thank you.
The Honourable Minister.
Mr. Speaker, I'd like to thank the Honourable Member from Brampton South for her question and her advocacy for seniors in her community. The stories we are hearing are tragic, and our thoughts are with those that have lost loved ones in the long-term care system. The Government of Canada is doing our part to help by providing guidelines to prevent the spread of COVID-19, buying personal protective equipment, helping top up the wages of low-income workers, and sending in the Canadian Forces to help. We will continue to work together with provinces and territories to address the pressing needs in the long-term care system. We also recognize seniors' financial challenges. Seniors in Brampton South and all across Canada are staying safe at home because of their increased risk of the virus. But that has made life more difficult and more expensive for seniors. Groceries are more costly and deliveries are coming at a premium. Prescription dispensing fees have increased because of the new 30-day limits in some provinces. We're helping millions of seniors during the pandemic with a tax-free payment to those on OAS and GIS, which is coming soon. Together with the GST credit payment that came in April, a low-income senior couple on GIS will be receiving over $1,500 in direct financial support. Our government's working hard to help seniors during this difficult time. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.